Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your account when it appears to have been used for fraudulent activity on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see a help option. Click on Help, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Steam Support. This is your gateway to resolving any account issues and getting direct assistance from Steam Support Team. Now you'll land on the Steam Support page where you'll see various categories of issues you can get help with. Click on Steam Community. This section specifically handles account-related problems, including suspicious activity and potential security breaches, which is exactly what you need for this situation. Next, you'll see a list of common issues within the Steam Community section. Click on I need help with something not listed here. This option is important because fraudulent activity cases often require custom explanations rather than fitting into predefined categories. It allows you to communicate your specific situation directly to the support team. After selecting that option, scroll down until you see the Contact Steam Support button and click on it. This will open up a direct communication channel with Steam Support Team, allowing you to submit a detailed description of the fraudulent activity you've encountered on your account. You'll now see a text field where you can explain your issue. This is your opportunity to describe the problem clearly and thoroughly. Make sure to include all relevant details about the fraudulent activity, such as when you first noticed it, what unauthorized actions were taken, and any suspicious transactions or changes to your account. The more specific and detailed you are, the faster Steam Support can understand and address your situation. If you have any supporting evidence like screenshots of suspicious purchases, unusual login notifications, or any other documentation that proves fraudulent activity, you can attach these files to strengthen your case. Click on the attachment option and upload any relevant files that might help Steam Support investigate your account more effectively. Once you've written your explanation and attached any necessary files, click Send to submit your request to Steam Support. Your ticket has now been submitted to their system. Now you'll need to wait for Steam Support to review your request and provide further guidance. The support team will analyze your case, investigate the fraudulent activity, and respond with specific steps to secure your account and resolve the issue. This process may take some time depending on the complexity of your case, so keep an eye on your email for their response. And that's how you report and fix fraudulent activity on your Steam account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.